was a world event, although I was 16 years of age. When I enlisted in the Army, the old sergeant told me that if you want to get to France in a hurry, go into the ambulance corps service. I went overseas on the Carpathia, the ship that came to the rescue of the Titanic. We were a small group of 100 men. Even though we were young and inexperienced, we were welcome. The term, the war to end all wars, came, I believe, immediately following World War I. I am now 106 years old. Today there are only known 3 veterans of World War I. And after a while I said, my God, I'm going to be one of the last.